Loading paper in an HP LaserJet M207 through M212, M207e through 212e Printer Series. After unboxing the printer, load paper into the input tray and install the tray cover. Press the power button to turn on the printer. Lower the paper input tray. Slide the paper width guides out to the widest position. With the print side facing up, load up to 150 sheets of paper into the input tray, then slide the paper forward until it stops. Slide in the paper width guides until they rest against the stack. If not already installed, lower the tray cover over the paper stack and push forward until it snaps into place. Then, extend the output tray. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages. And search our channel to find official HP support videos.